To locate large intestine 11, bend your left elbow to 90 degrees. Large intestine 11 is found on the outside of the arm, halfway between the center of the elbow crease and the tip of your elbow. Press into this area and find a spot that is sensitive, tender, sore, or painful. That is large intestine 11. You might have to check slightly to one side or higher or lower. Stimulate the point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, then take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tay shin, it might look like this. Now find large intestine 11 on your other arm and repeat.